Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kamoto. Welcome sa Bench Vlogs. Dito sa episode na to, ililista natin ang mga Yamaha motorcycles, including updated price dito sa Pilipinas ngayong 2020. This is for December. Tandaan po natin na pwedeng bumaba o tumaas ang price, depende kung saan kayo bibili. So, umpisahan natin sa Mio Sporty. So, price, 67,900 pesos. Color na available for Mio Sporty, merong yellow, purple, magenta, new burgundy, matte green, and matte black. Okay, dito tayo sa sunod. Mio i125 and Mio i125S. So, yung S version, yun yung mas updated version ng Mio, ng mga motorcycle. Pag may nakita kayo na S, mas advanced yung technology doon. So, for Mio i125, SRP, 71,900 pesos. So, for Mio i125S, SRP, 75,900. Color available. So, meron tayong magenta, yellow, vibrant, orange, matte blue. So, for S version naman ng Mio i125, meron matte black and white. So, dalawang kulay lang ang meron sa S version. So, ito yung specifications ng Mio i125. Okay, for Mio Soul i125 and Mio Soul i125S, SRP is for i125, 79,900. For i125S, 83,900 pesos. Color na available for the basic one, matte black, purple, vibrant, orange. So for S version, meron burgundy, matte green, and matte gray. Yamaha Gravis. SRP is 85,900 pesos. Color na available, merong matte red, matte black, and matte green. So, more on matte colors tong Gravis. Yamaha Aerox and Yamaha Aerox version S. Yung S-type dito, ito yung ABS. Okay, so for Yamaha Aerox, ito yung disusi pa. SRP is 102,900 pesos. For version S, ABS, and keyless, yung presyo niya is 122,900 pesos. Color na available for the basic one, race blue, vibrant orange, and black raven. For the S version, matte blue and white. Okay, meron tayong Doxo version ng Aerox. Ayan yung itsura ng Doxo version. So, SRP price ng Aerox Doxo is 124,900 pesos. So, 2K lang yung difference dun sa S version. Naka-Doxo ka na. Ayan. So, diretso tayo dito sa NMAX and NMAX ABS type. So, for standard version of NMAX, the price is 109,000 pesos. So, for the ABS type, ABS version, yung presyo niya is 119,000 pesos. So, for color variation, for the standard version, meron tayong midnight black, gunmetal gray, and blue. For the ABS type, gunmetal gray and midnight black. So, dalawang color lang ang available for the ABS version of NMAX. This is the new NMAX 2020. Color na available for standard version, merong Midnight Black, Tech, Camo, and Phantom Blue. For ABS version, Tech Camo, Matte Red, and Midnight Black. Price, standard version, 119,900 pesos. For the ABS version, 134,500 pesos. Yamaha X Max. This is a 292cc motorcycle scooter. Yung SRP price niya is 249,000 pesos. Color na available for X Max is Phantom Blue and Worn Gray. Dito naman tayo sa sport type. Umpisahan natin sa YZF-R 15 R15. SRP price 164,000 pesos. Color na available for YZF R15 is Race Blue and Black Raven. Yamaha YZF R3. Price 259,000 pesos. This is a 321cc motorcycle. So manual na to, guys. And color available for this R3 is Black Raven, Matte Red, and Race Blue. Okay, for XSR 155, ito yung bagong labas lang. Price is 162,000 pesos. Pogi ng itsura. So, color available for XSR 155 is Garage Metal and Tech Black. Next one is YTX 125. So, normally, ginagamit to sa mga pampasada, itong motorcycle na to. Price, 49,000 pesos. Color na available for YTX 125 is blue, red, and black. This is the Yamaha site. So, usapan to, guys, since yung consumption niya sa gas is 129 km per liter. Grabe, sobrang tipid na itong motor na to. So, dalawa yung variant niya. Meron spoke wheel, tapos yung isa yung cast wheel. So, makikita nyo dito sa picture, yung rims niya dito. And dito nagkaiba. So, umpisa natin sa spoke wheel. Itong nasa right side. SRP price, 59,900 pesos. So, for the cast wheel, 62,900 pesos. Okay, color available for the cast wheel, Yellow Hornet and Black Raven. For the spoke type, Black Raven and Red Metallic. This is the Yamaha Sniper 150. Price, 102,900 pesos. Color available for Sniper 150, Race Blue, Matte Green, Black Raven, and Yellow Hornet. So, meron ding Doxu type itong sniper. Ito yung itsura niya. This is the Sniper Doxu. SRP price, 104,900 pesos. Vega Force I. Price, 68,200 pesos. Color available for Vega Force I, Race Blue at Black Raven. Yamaha FZI. Price, 99,800 pesos. Color available for FZI, black and red. Yamaha SZ. Price 69,900 pesos. Color na available para sa SZ, matte green, matte black, vivid red cocktail. So ito guys, Yamaha MT-15. Ganda ng itsura. Yamaha MT-15, price 159,000 pesos. Color available, ice fluid, matte blue, and tech black. MT-03. Color na available, ice fluo, tech black. This is a liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHE 4-valve 2-cylinder. So, impression nito, 254,000 pesos. So, kung mahilig kayo mag-motocross, ito, this is the Yamaha Zero 250. Price, 229,000 pesos. Color available for Zero 250, meron white blue and white orange. Next one, XTZ 125. Price, 84,900 pesos. Color na available para sa model na to, XTZ 125. Merong blue and meron ding white. WR155R. Color na available, blue, black. Price, 169,000 pesos. And this is the Yamaha Tri-City. Price, 146,000 pesos. Color na available para sa Tri-City, merong white, meron ding red. Ayun guys, ito ang updated price ng mga Yamaha motorcycle dito sa Pilipinas. So maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.